claim to follow Christ, but the foundation of their religion is built on domination, destruction, and forced conversion. How can you call yourself a follower of love while standing on stolen land, holding stolen rewritten information, and worshiping through a system that justifies slavery, colonization, and genocide? All in the name of God. The truth is, Yeshua never created a religion. He was a master teacher of divine law, Ma'at, balance, love, and oneness with the Most High within. But when Rome took over his teachings, they twisted his words into weapons. They made the oppressor holy and the oppressed heathen. The real Christ would never support crusades, slavery, or domination. He didn't teach people to conquer nations. He taught people to conquer their lower self. He didn't build churches. He built consciousness. If you're a Christian, you're a follower of Rome, not Christ. Because Yeshua never told you to go to a church and become a Christian, but Rome did. So ask yourself, are you truly following Christ, or the Roman version of it, designed to control minds and erase truths? Because Yeshua's true message wasn't about religion. It was about awakening the God within. Great awakening is here. Time to remember.